Didn't you order the iPhone 12 Pro?
And where am I supposed to pick it up?
So what one people don't know, it's your boy DJ Bobajoe, aka boy CJ. You know what thing said. And if you're watching from you don't know DJ Bobajoe TV, make sure you subscribe. And if it's the first time you're forward, make sure you hit that notification bell same way. Like up the video, isn't it? Cause you must know what thing said. So right now guys, I'm just gonna do a quick prank, see me? I couldn't find nowhere quiet or nowhere better to do this prank, expect the studio. Right now guys, you don't watch my background, isn't it? So you don't know. Me I go shoot a prank right now. Me not too long left from work for just reach and me have to come give on a prank, so you must know what things set. Isn't me? You must know what make got things set. So I come up with this prank for Black Friday, cause you don't know say today a Black Friday. So you must know what things set. So right now, I want if you know guys ready. And if you're not ready, you just comment ready hashtag DJ Bobajoe TV in the comment. You see me? Alright, I'm ready now? I'm ready now? We can't start the prank unless I play the intro. So I'm ready now?
Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco.
Alright, you know what premium said. So I just I'll call random people. I take some people in my contact and say, yo, I'm gonna send me some people number, you see me? Because I want to prank some people. You must know what things said. So right now, I'm just gonna call random people. I don't even know them people, you see me? So alright, that's what you think there right now, you see? Alright, so I'm call. But even know how this, you see me? Just random. Big up the people that send me a number, them, you see me? Ready again.
Hello?
Hello, yes, good afternoon. My name is Mr. Adams.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Yes, your package is ready for this Black Friday?
I'm sorry, I didn't order a package. Who are you calling for exactly?
Didn't you order the iPhone 12 Pro?
And where am I supposed to pick it up?
In Kingston. We'll deliver it to you.
Honestly, I didn't order iPhone Pro.
Well,
So,
the package is already paid for this Black Friday. You said that we should deliver it this Black Friday.
to which area are you supposed to deliver it?
Clarendon.
Which house? Clarendon.
You didn't give with the house.
Repeat that, please.
You didn't give with the location in Clarendon to deliver it to. That's why I'm calling you now.
Sorry, 1 second. This is breaking up. Could you call me back for a minute? Okay, are you hearing me? Hello? Hello?
Shame up people. Shame up. Alright, so I don't know. I don't even know if I carried on the girl come from. I just guess. You know what thing. I don't know Chum make that thing. So you call another contact and now. You see me? I'll call another person right now. By the way, iPhone 12 or iPhone 11? Which one? Because I don't work with iPhone. You see me? I don't work with iPhone. So I'll call this person now. Right. Miss me here. No, me genuine more me here for get a twist to it, you see me? You ready? Are you ready? Hello, yes. Hello, yes. This is Mr. Adams from S.H.A.R.E Mobile.
Hello?
Hello, yes. This is Mr. Adams from Mr. S.H.A.R.E Mobiles. Hello, you hear me? Hello? Hello? V.I.D.E.O. You know the way you know. Why Mr. Superior Mobiles? Anyway, in Jamaica name Superior Mobiles, by the way. Just I guess, that's it. V.I.D.E.O. know anything. Just I make up some things. Well, yes, good afternoon. My name is Mr. Adams from Superior Mobiles. Hello? Yes, my name is Mr. Adams from Superior Mobiles. I'm Mr. Adams. Are you hearing me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Yes, I'm Mr. Adams from Superior Mobile. Yes, I'm just calling to make you know that your iPhone 11 Pro is ready for pickup this Friday, this Black Friday.
Picked up this Black Friday.
Yeah,
Where?
in Kingston.
Uh-huh.
Yes, you have already paid the fee for the phone, and it is now in Jamaica, so you can pick it up this Friday.
And where can I pick it up?
You can pick it up at Superior Mobiles in Kingston, downtown Kingston.
Okay, okay.
But first, I would like to get a name.
My name?
Yes, sir.
My name is Leon Swaley.
Okay, Mr. Swavey. I'm just gonna enter it on the system right here.
Okay.
So your phone will be set to be picked up on this Friday, Mr. Leon Swavey, at the Superior Mobiles headquarters.
Superior Mobile.
Yes, Superior Mobiles.
Okay.
Okay, sir. This is a prank, by the way.
Okay.
Man say. So, I tell man say it's a prank, man say. Okay. I don't even know if man knows say it is a prank. Hello, yes, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Fine.
Yes, I'm Mr. Adams calling from Superior Mobile, New Kingston.
Yes.
Yes, we have your delivery for this Black Friday.
Yes.
Your iPhone 11 Pro is here, and you can pick it up this Friday.
I see anything middle bridging, so you have to scam on different bridge. Yeah?
This is not a scam. This is not a scam. This is a prank.
It's a prank. I prank somebody else, I see anything middle.
Raw, born, idiot.
All right, bless up yourself.
Alright, bridging.
that nigga say it's a scam. No, we don't use them things around here. We don't play them game around here. Everything we do is a prank or it's legal. That is legal. Legal. You see me? And what's my thing go? You see what we do? I work 7 days a week. I do YouTubing for a living as well. So where is coming out? How come from? We don't play that game.
Hello?
Hello, yes, good afternoon. How are you doing?
Fine.
Yes, I'm Mr. Adams calling from Superior Mobiles in New Kingston.
Yes.
Yes, I'm calling to make you know that your iPhone 11 Pro is here and you can pick it up this Friday, this Black Friday. Hello?
Yes.
I'm just calling to make you know your iPhone 11 Pro is here.
Alright.
Yes, you can pick it up this Friday in New Kingston at Superior Mobiles. Hello, are you hearing me?
Yes.
Yes, I'm just making you know that your iPhone 11 Pro is here and you can pick it up in New Kingston at Superior Mobiles.
Okay.
Okay, it have already been paid for. Our billing address is also paid for. Just want you to know this is also a prank. Hello? Hello? She hung up. She hung up. She hung up. Flu. Don't let me hang up. No. Flu. Flu. Yeah. Alright, somebody I call. Hello, yes, good afternoon.
Hello?
Yes, I'm calling from Superior Mobiles.
Okay.
Yes, I'm calling about the iPhone 11 you purchased.
iPhone 11?
Yes.
When I purchased an iPhone 11?
Yes, sir. You have purchased the iPhone 11 and I'm just calling to make you know it's available here in store for Black Friday this Friday, so you can pick it up this Friday
Where is that?
in New Kingston.
We are Clarendon with it.
Sir, you have already purchased the iPhone 11 Pro. Our payments is successful and we can also mail it to your post office in your address.
Okay, alright. I can mail it then, man.
Okay, sir. What's your name, by the way? So I can add it to the...
My name is Sean.
Sean?
Yeah.
Okay, Sean. What's your last name, Sean?
Alex.
Sean, repeat.
Sean Alex.
Sean Alice.
Yeah.
Okay, I will add Sean Alice to the address. Where's the location, Sean, so I can mail it?
V.I.D.E.O.
Please repeat that.
V.I.D.E.O.
James P.O. Okay,
Yeah,
that's in Clarendon, right?
Yeah?
That's in Clarendon, right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. I have it right here. Okay, Sean, you should be receiving your package by Friday.
Alright.
Yo, this all prank, you see me, dog? All prank, although you know it's all prank, I will wrong me. You know, you must go. Huh? Yo, big up yourself. So as me as the people, this is the end of this video. By the way, before me even end the video, let me give you a talk, quick talk, isn't it? Yo, be a care. Yo. So as me I say, be mindful of cyber attacks. People can hack in your stuff and them stuff there, isn't it? Be mindful. This is not a S.H.A.R.E. Maybe you can't spell it. It is S.C.A.M. Isn't it? You don't know. This is a prank and this is far. You don't know. Entertainment purposes only. So big up yourself on your YouTube, isn't it?